Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Ro. Today we're diving into Unreal Engine 5 to explore how to use the content browser. And we'll also showcase how to effectively migrate assets between projects. And in this video, we'll be migrating over the Cinti Polygon Starter Pack asset into our project. And this is a free project that you can download off the Cinti store. I'll leave the link in the description below. This is a great skill set for organizing and enhancing your game development workflow, so let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated. First up, let's talk about the content browser in Unreal Engine. This is your main hub for all assets within your project, and you can open it by simply hitting the content drawer in your bottom left, and you're able to click this button to dock it in the layout. And I personally just left mine docked here. And if you do need multiple open, you can drag it out and open and drag it out. You can have multiple content layers open. And a shortcut for this is Control Spacebar. So here in the content browser, you can see all of your project's folders and assets. You can easily search for anything specific over here in the search bar on the top. So let's say I wanted to look for my third person BP. I would just begin writing third person BP, and it'll just make sure that any part of the text that's available in it will just show up here. That'll go for everything else that has the word third in it, or in the path itself. Managing your assets is crucial for keeping the project organized. So let's create a new folder by right-clicking and selecting New Folder. And you can name it to whatever you want. So I'll go ahead and delete this. Now importing assets is just as easy. You can drag and drop files right into this window or use the import button. Let me show you how. So if I click this import button, and let's say I just wanted to import some FBX model here. This preview will come up showing the import options that you want. So you can select it to build nanite, have a skeletal mesh, and then select the skeleton, import translations, and so on. And I'll go ahead and click import. And now you'll see that my FBX actually did import. And since I didn't import the material is just going to be the solid white color, and we'll get into materials in another video. I'll go ahead and delete this. Now let's move on to migrating assets. And in this example, we have the Polygon starter pack that I've already downloaded and extracted. So let's go ahead and import it. What you're going to want to do is just make an account, hit add to cart, and go ahead and check this out. And once this is done, you'll click on my downloads. And in our case, we'll download the Polygon starter Unreal Engine version. And I'll go ahead and extract it right into wherever you downloaded it to. And now after it's downloaded, I'll go ahead and open Polygon Starter, and I'll right click the U project, which is our Unreal Engine project, and I'll do Open with Unreal Engine. And for the version, I'll select 5.3. So I want to import all the files of my Polygon Starter into my Blueprint series. So what I'll need to do is right click on my content folder that I want to import to, and I'll click Show and Explore. And up here, I'm just going to copy paste the file location, and I'll go back to my Polygon starter pack that we downloaded. On the content folder, I'm going to right click and click migrate. And it'll show everything that you're going to be importing. So I'll go ahead and click OK. And then I'm going to paste in the file location that I just copied, which is going to be my other project. And make sure your content folder is selected, and I'll click select folder, and it's going to migrate everything. And now when I go back to my other folder, you're going to see it say the Polygon starter. So I'll go ahead and close this out. And on the project that I converted to, I'll go to Maps and the demo scene. And as soon as I open it, it's going to load the shaders. You'll be able to see that everything has migrated successfully. And that's how you handle assets like a pro in Unreal Engine. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this tutorial helps you manage your game assets more effectively. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Code with Ro for more tutorials like this.